Kim Townsel here. Do you need a shower caddy, something in the corner of your shower or your bathtub to hold all those things that we think that we need or that our family thinks that we need? Can I successfully put this one together? Well, I have shower caddies, and both of the bathtubs in my house I've successfully put together many of these that are metal and plastic, so I think I'm going to be able to put this one together. I've also put together two metal ones before that were nice, but they didn't hold up for very long because they had like solid pieces on the bottom that ended up rusting. These will not have that problem because they are wire. They look really nice and have some features that I already like about them, with the little hooks down here, and the parts are all labeled. So let's put this thing together and see how we like it. Atkeen corner shower caddy has 4 tiers. It's supposed to be easy to install by hand. Tray fits room corner perfectly. Has adjustable height from 47 inches to 121 inches. This is what it's supposed to look like when it's assembled. Can't really read the maintenance instructions because it's covered with a sticker. The main thing is just don't hang on it to play with it and don't touch the cut surface of the pole. Mine is silver. Some plastic and metal parts. And instructions that tell us which parts to use. We need to measure our height that we need first, and we'll use those parts. There's a QR code that you can use for assistance. And we have instructions with nice diagrams that labels the pieces. And it appears very clear instructions. We shall see. Looks like 4 silver trays. Those are nice size trays. So I guess 2 big ones and 2 smaller ones. Oh, that's cool. So it has like little hooks on the bottom of it. That one does anyway. And we have the poles. I have all of my pieces laid out. Most of them are already labeled, or at least the poles are exactly as they are on this diagram. So let me show you what I have here. The A pole is the top pole. Has a cap on the end of it. That one's there, and those are labeled. The B pole, you have 5 of those. They'll have like a smaller thing on this end, and then they're labeled on that end. Be careful because the ends are pretty sharp. The C pole has a cap on the bottom, and then a smaller end on that side because it goes inside another pole. The D pole is an extension pole. That's the short one up there. It's also labeled with the D label on the end. That end is smaller because it goes inside another pole. E are what they call clips that you will use to install your baskets on. You have 4 clips, E. F are hooks that you can use to attach to the baskets to hang things from. You have 4 hanging clips. You have 2 G's. G is the 2 large baskets. You have 1 H, which is a basket that has 2 little hanging clips already attached to it on the bottom. That's H. The last item, I, is a smaller basket, a shorter basket that also has 2 clips on it, but they're side by side. That is I. I'll be replacing this plastic one that's in the corner now, so I'll have to measure from here to the top of the ceiling to see what parts I need for the pole. I usually or have bought the larger sizes of shampoo and conditioner and really can't fit everything I want to fit on that one. Before starting, I need to measure my shower to see which one of these which one of these formulas I'm going to have to use. While not necessary, I recommend cleaning your area before you install your shower caddy. My height is about 78 3/4, and I need to add 2 3/4. So I need to add 78, 79, 80, 81 1/2. 81 1/2 falls on here for this. I need an A, 3 B's, and a C. I checked my math twice. So I need an A, 3 B's, and a C. A, 3 B's, and a C. There's the 2 B's and the D that I don't need. Several of these before, and normally it's easier to put the baskets on before you put the pole in the shower. And I wondered why it didn't tell you to do that until step 5 when you've already got the pole in the shower. But this was where it paid to read the entire directions before beginning. It says it's easier to put the baskets before putting the poles in position. So we're going to do that. We're going to put the pole together first. Step 1, start with the parts positioned horizontally for an easier assembling experience. And it shows you that the small part of the pole is going to go inside the bottom of the next pole. I have mine laid out with the C part, that's the bottom, and my 3 B's, and my 1A, which is the top pole. Step 2 is to twist the top poles and make it loose. When assembling, allow an additional inch more than your ceiling height to allow the product to stand firmly when installed at the desired location. So you need to extend it out an extra inch so you can pop it in. So let's twist the top pole to make it loose, and then we're going to lock in the length. So I don't know how I know to lock in the length until I put the bottom pieces together. So I'm going to put the bottom pieces together and then measure, and then see how much I need to pull A out. So those slide right in quite easily. That one did. Putting a B and a B. And then we're going to put our A on our last B. So I'm going to measure and see how long this is. So I'm going to have to pull my A pole out quite a bit because it needs to come out probably about 3 inches to be long enough, and then another 4 inches. So I need to pull the A pole out 4 inches past these 2 arrows here. And the instructions show to turn it towards you. You need to pull it, I said 4 inches, I believe, past the bottom. I only saw those 2 arrows, so I need to come 4 inches past that. Need to make a mark. Yes, that's going to work. I'm not decompressed it to put it in yet. I'm going to put the baskets on first, but I want to put it up so I can get an idea about where I want to put my baskets. I recommend playing with these clips a little bit because the instructions tell you that it's not going to close up completely. And by playing around with it, I discovered that there's the top to the clip, and it has mine has a smooth screw on it. And the bottom of the clip, this part right here is not going to grab anything. And mine has like the ugly part of the screw. So I have to put these on the pole like this. And I was wondering, like, how are they going to fit into here? So I was just kind of playing around with them. And I thought they were going to go on the outside part, but they actually go on the inside like this. So you want to make sure when you're putting them on the pole that this flat part is on the bottom so that it can fit in there like that. Otherwise, you'll have to take them off again. I don't think it'd be difficult to take them off, but save time. I know that I want one basket pretty close to the bottom. I normally don't store anything at the bottom here, but I have some, I buy the large sizes of conditioner and shampoo. Whoops, come on my head. So I know that I want to put one here. So I'm going to make sure that I have them where I want them before I snap them together. I just put my conditioner in there and left enough room for my hand to go in there and pump. I think I need to raise the second one a little bit higher to give myself some more room in there. I'm going to do that. Yes, much better. I keep all my conditioners on one shelf and all the shampoos on a different shelf. And then soap and other things on the other part. So I have my shelves pretty much where I want them. Can always slide the shelf off and undo the clip and move it if I want to. But I'm going to go ahead and secure those and secure my pole. The instructions say the clips do not fully close on the pole. That full grip is achieved when the baskets are attached. A little force is required for the baskets to clip securely in position. So it shows you like pushing down on it and using both hands to push on the clip, I guess. Well, it feels pretty secure to me, just pushing down on it. Now I need to put the pole into place. Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. This one clip gave me a little bit of trouble. It ended up having to be done on the floor. I had to take the pole, well, the pole fell as you saw, but I finally got it in. I'm having a little trouble with these, getting these on. Pushed it down, but it won't clip like the other ones did, like the bottom ones did. They don't fit as well. Well, I actually got the top ones done, not by messing with the clip, but just pushing down a little bit harder on the basket. But I had to take the thing apart to get out of the bathtub to do that. So let's put it back together, put it back in the bathtub. I'm going to go ahead and peel all these stickers off before they get wet and very difficult to remove. I recommend putting the places where the stickers are towards the back because it does leave a little sticky residue, so I'm going to twist this pole around so that that's going to be towards the back. If you want to add the hooks, you can just hook those on there anywhere you like. We are finished. Isn't that pretty? Wasn't too bad. Was kind of in a hurry, but I'm very happy with this. Probably going to order another one for the other end of the tub if I need it, but these hold a lot. Very pleased. I have my normal items on there and space left over. You don't have to put all the baskets on there if you don't want to. I just went and put them on there because I may move items from my old one to this one and just have one. I think I can get everything from my old one that needs to be thrown away onto this one. Thanks for watching my video about the Atkeen shower caddy. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment. It's free to share this video. Remember to check in the text below, and I'll provide a link on how you can buy this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. And until next time, let's just keep each other informed on all the things that make life a little bit more pleasant. And remember, stay clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Stay away from Satan. Bye. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Bye.